Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. Today's try to do the ping value Battlegrounds mobile gameplay comparison between the Realme GT versus the iQOO 7 device. So during this process of demonstration, I'm trying to use the 4G plus Jio SIM card. Let's see which phone will be having what type of ping value when you try to use the 4G SIM. So this is a question which has been requested by few of my subscribers asking me to make a video. So that is the reason I thought of making a video comparing both phones, Realme GT versus iQOO 7 device. I'll definitely do other comparisons with the OnePlus Nord 2 and plenty of other phones, Realme XL Max as well. So meanwhile, stay tuned for those videos, friends. So first, let me try to show you exactly RX Monitor application, what it's showing. You can see clearly both phones are Jio SIM card and both phones are connected to the same kind of band as well. So where we'll be getting 4G plus compulsory in both phones. Let's see, using this kind of demonstration, which phone will be having what type of ping value in the indoor studio room environment. So first, let me try to open the Battlegrounds mobile game in both phones at the same time. So I'm trying to open both phones and both games are added into the game space and ultra game mode, so which you should be seeing right now. And in case if you're interested in more videos on the Battlegrounds mobile game, try to check this playlist. So in this playlist you'll find all the details about the Battlegrounds mobile ping value and battery draining details, graphics comparison data. As you can see, the ping values with all of the smartphones as well. This playlist will be giving you a clear idea of what is happening with the devices. So right now the Realme GT was able to open this Battlegrounds mobile game faster using the Jio SIM card. Right now it's taking some time in the iQOO 7 device to load. Even the iQOO 7 has got the 4G plus aggregation as well, as you can see on the top. So both phones did get the 4G plus aggregation at this moment. Now let me need to select the same settings. I'm trying to select settings, also doesn't matter much, but still I just want to show you. I'm trying to select the smooth and extreme settings only during the process of demonstration. As you can see, exactly same. So anyway, the iQOO 7 only has the extreme settings. There is no 90 FPS at this moment. So that's perfect. Now let's start with the first map, which is the Erangel map in both phones. 1, 2, 3. So both phones did start at same time, and iQOO 7 was able to connect to the map faster. So let's see what will be the ping value comparison between both phones. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends, and this is my first time comparing Realme GT and the iQOO 7 device side by side. So let's take a look at the iQOO 7 device. In the iQOO 7 device, we are getting the ping value of close to 157 Mbps, 157 milliseconds, as you can see, sometimes 52 milliseconds, 64 milliseconds using the Jio SIM card in this location, 84 milliseconds as well. As you can see, 4G plus I'm trying to get at this point, and right now the time is about night 11:45. I thought of recording this video before sleeping just to show you what is happening with the ping values. So during the night time, the internet speed should be really good. So I just want to check what is happening in this time. So usually I'm getting 84 milliseconds in the iQOO 7 device, and in the Realme GT device I'm getting about 150 milliseconds. So both phones are reaching above century at this point. So let me need to keep in this way. So now you'll be able to understand what is happening. So you can see the values between both phones, iQOO 7 and the bottom one is the Realme GT, 48 milliseconds and 60 milliseconds. Both phones were able to maintain high ping value. So right now both are same, 52 and 52, 68 and 112. As you can see the difference between both phones, 56 milliseconds and 60 milliseconds. You can just see, look at this punch hole, and you can definitely identify which phone is what type of phone, Realme GT and the iQOO 7 device. So now you should be able to see it properly. So I think the iQOO 7 may be using the Jio SIM card in this location, I think. So Realme GT has got 139 milliseconds as well. So right now I'm trying to do the drop test in the iQOO 7 device as well, and I'm getting the 60 milliseconds. And in the Realme GT I'm getting about 64 milliseconds. In the Realme GT 60 milliseconds as well. So both are kind of same. Sometimes the iQOO 7 is getting higher, 76, and sometimes the Realme GT is getting higher. So let's see, friends, what will happen. So 60. Let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this one. If you want, I can definitely do plenty of other games as well comparing both phones in terms of the ping values. So right now I'm getting about 56 milliseconds, 52 and 68. I think both phones are getting the 4G plus aggregation. As you can see on the top, 4G plus I'm getting in the iQOO 7 device, and Realme GT I'm getting 4G plus just now. As you can see, 4G plus. Sometimes it's getting 4G plus, sometimes I'm not getting 4G plus. Now I got the 4G plus, as you can see, the Realme GT as well. Not bad. The Realme GT, I'm getting about 96 milliseconds at this moment. Let me try to start running in this phone as well. 96, and iQOO 7 is getting 56. Both phones are 56. I think both phones are kind of slightly same. I cannot see huge difference at this moment. As you can see friends, clearly using this Erangel map I am trying to play. So let's try the different map. Maybe the team deathmatch should be kind of good. Let me try to go exit and let's see what happens with the team deathmatch. Just I thought of just testing Vero's map, which I want to test in both phones. Yes, let's start 1, 2, 3. So both phones I did select the same kind of Vero's only. So now we'll be able to see what is happening with the ping value in this Vero's map. Let's see. Right now in this location I'm getting 46 and 48 milliseconds. 48 and 46, not bad. Both are having slightly kind of close to each other, 56 milliseconds as well in the Realme GT. In the iQOO 7 device, right now I'm getting both phones 20 milliseconds, 40, 76. As you can compare both phones, what is happening at this moment. So that's it friends, this is a quick comparison between both phones in terms of the ping value. Overall I did feel slightly kind of close to each other, nothing much huge difference I can spot on at this point. There's a little bit kind of differences here but not much. But iQOO 7 was able to maintain really low milliseconds at this point. When compared with the Realme GT, it went even close to 44 as well. Right now staying slightly close as well, as you can see. Not much huge difference friends overall between both phones, Realme GT and the iQOO 7 device in terms of the ping value. So in case if you're having any other doubts on the Realme GT device, let me know in the comment section below what are other videos you want me to upload on this Realme GT. Definitely I'll be able to upload the videos as soon as possible for you all on this Snapdragon 888 processor. So which is going to be really interesting for a lot of other users as well, testing on this Snapdragon 888 processor. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. I'll state of more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and don't forget to check the playlist for more details as well. The playlist of this BGMI will give you the clear idea what is happening with the both phones in terms of the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.